What's up there, people? Unspoke Riders here again. Well, I had a long list of stuff I wanted to get accomplished this weekend on the old 96 Caprice, but looks like it's not going to happen. Looks like I'm going to finally get that break for the weekend because it's calling for rain all weekend. So it's kind of a good thing because I get to relax. And kind of a bad thing because, you know, so ain't much going on this weekend. Just out here dealing with this crazy ass Arizona weather. 1 minute it's blistering hot, the next minute it's raining. So there you have it, people. Unspoke Riders signing out. Gonna go back in the house and finish watching a bunch of movies, playing some video games, and just relaxing. Alright, y'all, I guess till next weekend we'll see what happens. It's coming down even harder. Unspoke Riders signing out.